your boy, Mr. Authentic Traveler, and I'm here in the famous Times Square. I'm here in the heart of Times Square, so in this video I'm gonna take you guys on a walking tour of Times Square. Super busy, man, right here in the heart of Times Square. Just gonna walk, show you guys how amazing this place is. Times Square is amazing, actually at night, so you coming here to New York City, do not miss Times Square, man. See all them people right there? Yeah, the darker it gets, the more beautiful this place gets, man. You got a lot of, you know what I mean, people, everyone, the whole world come here. This is the place you gotta come when you come to New York City. But hey, let me stop talking because this is a walking tour of Times Square. I'm gonna show you guys the beauty of Times Square, man. Alright, let's go. Before I show you guys the beauty of Times Square, start this vlog, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, man. You know, support all these videos. I really appreciate it. It's gonna help me to make a lot of videos for you guys, so let's go. You guys ready?
That's like get ready. Hey, listen. I'm about to say, look, let me show you this. Put that shit on there. Put that shit on. Where I'm from? Okay, ready?
So I'm giving you guys an exclusive walking tour of the new Times Square 2025. And I'm here with Miss Chelsea. Hi.
Hello.
I'm here with Miss Jasmine.
Hey.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
How do you guys like Times Square so far?
It's so cool and fun and like just a really good vibe because of all like just the billboards and ads just like make it all come together, and it's just really nice.
Jasmine, how about you?
Yeah, the same thing as Chelsea said. It's really nice. It's really crowded as well. And all of the ads make it look so beautiful in the nighttime.
Yeah, for sure, man. You got to come here. We also have Jaden here with us. Jaden, what do you think about Times Square so far?
It just shines bright in all of America. It's just really, really welcoming. Has lots of good ads and everything.
Yeah, for sure.
I recommend it.
Yeah, man. You guys heard. I know they are. Let's go, yeah. Yeah, the chicken place. That chicken place is better. We've got 4 of them here with us. Jason, what do you think about Times Square so far?
It's beautiful. You should really come visit if you haven't visited before. And it's a nice experience. You get to see all the cool adverts and the cool billboards. And it's nothing like you've ever seen before.
Yeah, and it's also very family and kids friendly, right?
Yeah.
They have so much kid-friendly museums, like Lego store, some candy stores,
Disney World store.
also like slime museums,
Yeah.
like different types of museums. So
Yeah.
You should
definitely
really
come here.
What's your favorite thing about New York so far?
Definitely the fact that there are a lot of people. I think it's a really nice vibe seeing all these different people all together in one spot.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about New York so far?
The diversity, like there's multiple different ethnicities all coming to enjoy this experience. But
Yeah, for sure. What's your favorite thing about New York so far?
Probably like, don't bear with me. It's the ads. Like there are also good ads. There's about movies that we could watch and everything.
Yeah.
And about everything. So yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah. I want to continue touring, showing you guys around Times Square, New York. Hit that subscribe button, man. You know, Times Square, New York of itself is very family friendly, you know. I'm out here in New York with my family, and I just want to give you guys a tour of the world famous Times Square. Hey guys, so that's the end of my Times Square, you know, New York City walk around for you guys. I want to know what you guys think, you know, if you're planning to come to New York, trying to come to, you know, to Times Square. This is the end of the vlog. let me know, man. If you guys have any question of Times Square, you know, any particular place that you want to go, let me know. I'm always available to answer your questions, guys. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and you know, share this video, man. You know, this is New York Times Square. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, man. Let's go.